I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beer keg easy guide. Start by choosing a clean, food-grade keg and gather basic tools like a pump, hoses, and sanitizer. Sanitation is crucial to prevent off flavors and contamination. I will walk you through pressure transfer, keg sealing, and how to carbonate efficiently. Follow safety tips for handling CO2 and pressurized vessels so your beer stays fresh and tasty. Gathering the right equipment makes kegging simple and reliable. Choose a stainless steel Cornelius or commercial keg, an accurate CO2 regulator, and food-grade hoses and fittings. A sanitizer, thermometer, and pressure gauge are essential for consistency. I recommend doing a dry fit before sanitizing to ensure leaks are caught early. Keep your CO2 tank secured and learn hose connections now so the transfer goes smoothly and safely. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more brewing tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it effortless to keep grain and spills away while you brew, and it fits under benches neatly. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if it helps your setup, pick one up. Now let's get back to the video. Begin with thorough sanitation of keg, dip tube, and all fittings to eliminate bacteria. Transfer beer using a closed pressure transfer to reduce oxygen exposure, or a gentle gravity siphon for small batches. Seal and set CO2 pressure based on desired carbonation, then allow conditioning time in cold storage. Test pours and adjust pressure if needed. Keep notes on pressure and temperature so future batches reproduce the same great results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.